Hi everyone, it's Carl here. I'm going to do a taste test review of chocolate chip Eggo Waffles. Let's try it out. It's very toasty when you put them in the toaster, just like. These are delicious with the chocolate chips in them. I always get the ones with chocolate chips in them. Much better flavor, I think. You don't even need syrup for these. They're so good. Very consistent flavor. Always enjoyed Eggo Waffles. So I have to get this 10 out of 10 score. So let me know what you think when you try Eggo Waffles chocolate chip flavor. Let me know. And thank you for watching. And have a wonderful day. Bye now.